In this video, we listed the 5 best reciprocating saws that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DEWALT Reciprocating Saw. The DEWALT Reciprocating Saw is a robust power tool designed for demanding tasks, featuring a powerful 12-amp motor that excels in heavy-duty applications. Its striking yellow design is complemented by high-speed steel blades that are optimized for cutting wood. The saw is equipped with a versatile 4-position blade clamp that enables flush cutting, and a keyless lever-action blade clamp facilitates quick and effortless blade changes. With a stroke length of 1 1/8 inches and a cutting speed that reaches up to 2,900 strokes per minute, (SPM), it ensures fast and efficient cutting. Additionally, the variable speed trigger allows users to precisely control the cutting speed, enhancing the tool's overall functionality and ease of use. Number 2. Makita Junior 3050T Recipro Saw. The Makita corded electric saw is a powerful and versatile tool designed for various cutting applications involving wood and metal. Featuring a robust 11.0 amp motor, it can achieve up to 2,800 strokes per minute, allowing for efficient and precise cuts. Its variable speed trigger enables users to adjust the cutting speed to suit different tasks, while the tool-less blade change and shoe adjustment feature makes blade installation and removal quick and easy. With a long 1 1/8 stroke, the saw ensures faster cutting, and its lightweight design, weighing only 7.3 pounds, minimizes operator fatigue, making it ideal for extended use throughout the day. Available in an attractive blue and black color scheme, this tool combines functionality with ergonomic design. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 Saw. The Milwaukee battery-powered saw is engineered for superior cutting efficiency and durability, making it a standout in its class. Featuring a high-speed steel blade, this saw excels at cutting engineered wood with remarkable speed, thanks to its advanced brushless motor that ensures consistent power for quicker cuts while minimizing heat buildup for longer tool life. Its innovative intelligence system enhances performance by optimizing power usage and providing overload protection, making it a reliable choice for demanding cutting tasks. The striking red color and robust design further reinforce its commitment to high performance, making it an essential tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 4. SKIL 13-amp Saw. The SKIL red corded electric saw boasts a powerful 13-amp motor that delivers robust performance across various applications, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. Designed with user comfort in mind, it features patented buzzkill technology, which effectively reduces vibration by up to 35% compared to competitors, allowing for smoother operation. The variable speed trigger allows for precise control, facilitating cuts through specialized materials with ease. Additionally, its secure tool-less blade clamp ensures that the saw can withstand tough job site environments, while the oversized trigger enhances usability by enabling cutting from multiple positions. Constructed with high-speed and alloy steel blades, this tool is specifically recommended for wood surfaces, catering to a range of construction and DIY tasks. Number 5. CRAFTSMAN V20 Saw. The CRAFTSMAN battery-powered tool is designed for high performance and convenience, featuring a 1-inch stroke length that accelerates the completion of various applications. Its user-friendly design includes a tool-free blade release, allowing for quick and easy blade changes. Compact in size at 14.5 inches, this tool is perfect for maneuvering in tight spaces, while the contoured overmold handle provides added comfort during use. Additionally, the full variable speed trigger offers enhanced control with speeds reaching up to 3,000 RPM, making it suitable for working with wood and a range of other materials.